Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money to China using the Remitly app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Remitly app, then go to the home page, and on the top left corner of the home page, you can choose the country that you want to send money to. So in this case, we are going to send money to China. You just have to type in the search bar, tap on China, and when it opens up, you can start the sending process. As you can see, you can send money to a WeChat account, you can also send money to Alipay, or you can also send it to a bank account. Now here I have already saved one recipient, and you just have to add the money sending options. You can just start over. If you did not start it, it is going to show you the currency that your country uses. Right now for me it's set to Romania, but you can send money to China from any country. Then you just have to tap on continue, and you have to add your payment details. So here you can add a card number. You can use any Visa or MasterCard, and when you add your card details, you just tap send, and it is going to take that money from your debit or credit card and send it to the address in China. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.